Improving productivity and safety, reducing downtime and waste are very important. Terms like smart factories, cloud, Internet of Things are ubiquitous. PATLITE offers solutions with a lineup of network products that can connect to your existing equipment regardless of brand or age. Our network solutions are designed to not only deliver superior visual and audible signals, but also make it easy to collect critical data, send and receive network commands, and monitor your processes remotely and in real time. They are used in manufacturing, logistics, buildings and offices, medical systems, transportation systems, retail operations, and so on. We offer various interfaces including discrete I/O, Ethernet, USB, and I/O link, so you can easily connect to various devices and systems. Controlling and communicating with our network products is easy because they support several protocols, environments, and operating systems including Windows, Linux, Cloud, HTTP, and Modbus TCP. So you can easily achieve visualization by using our network products in a variety of environments to suit any situation.